Good evening, and hopefully everybody survived this Tuesday. It was chilly this morning. It's cold in the studio, so I thought I'd leave my coat on. And I'm trying to get the most wear out of it, and I'm going to wear it tomorrow. I'll be up and at 'em doing some, that's what I sound like on, yeah, I'll be up and at 'em doing some errands tomorrow morning before I go to work. So yes, definitely a coat-worthy morning tomorrow, as a lot of us will bottom out near 40 degrees across the coastal Empire and Low Country. So let's get to it. Let's talk about our current temperatures right now. This is our live look from our Savannah Skycam. Actually, no, I decided to go ahead and go with our almanac. We made it up to 61 today. Woo, woo. And for a while in Statesboro, it was only 51, but y'all eked out a 52 right at 5:45 because the sunshine came out and the clouds start to break up. We're mostly clear right now as those clouds are continuing to move off to the northeast. And officially, that's actually wrong. I double checked that. We got about 2/10 of an inch at the airport. But I do have some rainfall totals that are more reflective of what happened overnight and into the very early morning hours before dawn for a lot of us. So it's 44 in Statesboro, and I see a lot of people, well, Carla Lynn saying hey from the borough. And Adam Cochran. Yes, I knew I saw some borough people. Sherry Funderbuck. Yes. Yes, from the borough. Coldest spot. And it was the coldest spot by far all day today. Where did the sunshine go? Well, it was here along the coast, but the clouds with that wraparound moisture just kind of stayed right along North I-16 and into Beaufort County. 49 in Beaufort, and we've dropped to 48 in Savannah, 54 Jessup, 50 Hinesville, and we'll continue to see those temperatures start to plummet. So I have this on a 24-hour loop. I don't know, a lot of you may say, what rain? And you see that, we're very impressed with some of the snow that actually fell in Charlotte today and in Monroe County. I'm not familiar with that county, but that is probably in the Charlotte area. So it looks like everybody got something, but here is a good representation of where the rainfall did happen. So Garden City got 1/3 of an inch, Tybee more than 1/2 an inch, Rincon almost coming in at 1/2 an inch, Midway 1/2 an inch, Darien, because McIntosh County had a little bit more showers starting earlier, more than 6/10 of an inch, Hilton Head at Christchurch 0.55 inches, but Bluffton only 2/10 of an inch, and that's what we had close to. We had 0.19 at the airport. Remember, you know where I pulled these from? We talk about this a lot. CoCoRahs, CoCoRahs. That's where you can register your rain gauge, and the National Weather Service will share that with everybody. So these aren't official numbers, but I think it gives a good representation of what's going on in your neck of the woods, and I like it. I like to see what you guys are doing and what actually happened. So, whoa, why is it so far away? I don't know. Let's talk about our planner for Wednesday. We will wake up to 44 degrees at 6 o'clock. 9 o'clock 51, 67 by noontime. I mean, break out the shorts compared to today. 71 at 3. We'll have wall-to-wall sunshine and still in the upper 60s in the afternoon. So I'm going to go ahead and, I got a breaking news alert about THC oil. Don't change your dial. You can swipe up and then open that later. Let's see. So let me watch for your city. These are the highs tomorrow, and I'm going to scroll through here. Barnard Bamberg says hello from Louisiana. Anthony Steverson really likes the cool weather. You can hope all you want, Anthony, but we'll be in the 80s on Monday and over the weekend. Like these updates from Bluffton. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Chuck. Hi, Anita. How are you? And David Clayton Culpepper, you got your long johns on in the borough, David? Warm weather, please. Prom for Rebels this weekend. Now, yes, warm weather for the weekend. We're talking about 80s, but we're also talking about an afternoon thunderstorm chance. I'm about to sneeze. It was a gloomy day. Ricky Arthur watching from Glenville. And good evening from Irwin, Charles Smith. So I'm stopping it here. I started it here Thursday morning where we'll be dry. Clouds will stream in from the Atlantic, and here comes our next chance of rain. This is 9 o'clock Thursday, and we're dry. Overnight might be a different story. 43, 72. I think I'm going to lower the temperature, though, actually, for our morning low. And I know borough people, there's about 4 people coming in from Statesboro on the Facebook Live, I think you're going to wake up to about 39. 51, 77, 49, 76. I'm going to add a little bit more cloud coverage to Friday with a 60% chance of showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, not thinking that it's going to be severe. And the problem is this front actually doesn't leave. It becomes stationary over the coastal empire and low country. So whoever chimed in about the rebels, Weta, Eason, Heinley, looky. Ready? This is a long-range model, and it doesn't look pretty as far as getting a where is it going to rain. At 2 o'clock on Friday, do I think everybody's going to get some rain? No, but I think it's going to be cloudy, and I think some of the best chances may be from Effingham right along I-95 and back to the south in Waycross. We dry out Friday night. Saturday morning, we're dry, but because this front kind of hangs out right along I-16, that just lends itself for a little bit of instability and a lot of moisture to spill in from the south. And then it just gets trapped under that stationary front. So this is Saturday at noontime. Clouds start to bubble up, maybe a shower or 2. This is Sunday morning at 8:30. Do I think it'll be raining in the morning? No. I think with daytime heating, we'll get a better chance of some rain. And this is trying to clear out Monday into Tuesday. So it's a wet pattern, but I don't think everybody's going to get rain on those days, all right? I like showing the long-range model like that just to show you the idea, but long-range models like that are kind of sloppy, okay? So be prepared, and hopefully, because we didn't really get a lot of rain out of the system last night, all right? We didn't get enough rain is what I could say. We got some manageable rain with some of those people in, Garden City to Darien. That's some good rain. We don't want it all at once, but then we try to be picky when we want it, all right? And so Weta, East and Heinley, it's going to impact your prom, I think. I think it will. Okay? Birthday party Sunday. Well, at least it won't be windy. That's the only concern that I have about bounce houses. It will not be windy. Christina Falkenberg, or Crystalline, Falkenberg. Hi, Randall. How are you? You'll be loving this weather. It's going to be in the 80s Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hi, Sarah. Yeah, I'm telling you. You probably got what everybody else did in Savannah, which was about 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch. And we were saying 1/2 inch. Now, some people in the islands, they got about 1/2 inch, but right along Savannah, Pooler, no, not that much. Oh, pollen making my allergies worse. Hi, Richard from Wilmington. What time is the rain? Early morning. Early morning. The problem is, you're just going to run into it. It's coming in from the west, Anita. The rain is coming in from the west. So you're probably going to run into some rain. You know what I mean? Wash the pollen away. Michael Campbell talked about Effingham County. I'm not under the weather. Well, actually, I did wake up with kind of like a sore throat, but I'm okay now. I don't know. I think it's just the dust in here. Hi from Guyton, Jessica. How are you? Christy Shipes from Baxley. All right. And someone else from Baxley. All right. Have a good night, Carla. Okay. So that's the weekend. Let me go back. Best chance for, whoa. Thursday, we're dry throughout the day. Here comes the rain from the west. It's a slow-moving frontal system. It gives us cloudy skies, a 60% chance of rain on Friday, most likely in the morning, early afternoon, tapering off if you have a date night. It lingers Saturday and Sunday, so it's a 30% chance of showers, and that is tricky because with stationary fronts, it's like, all right, daytime heating, bubble pop and drop. That's what that's going to be. So it's going to be a little difficult to pinpoint where it's going to rain Saturday and Sunday. Then this front starts to move, and if this gets out of here Tuesday, we'll have much cooler weather on Wednesday. So everybody's saying, ugh, I really like this weather. I don't want the 80s to return. Well, we will have cooler weather on the other side of the 7-day. All right. I will see you guys tonight at the 11, and if you have any other questions, go ahead and message me at WTOC Jamie Ertl. In the meantime, thanks for joining. Thanks for your questions, and I will see you guys later. Good night.